Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brian with Dime Integrated Restoration. I'm here on Mr. MOSIAH Miles property. We are here because we got hired to perform a repair based on the recommendation of the estimate from an Allstate adjuster. Over 75 shingle damage on this property by wind and hail. It's been recommended for repairs. So we are here to perform a repair, and we're gonna show you guys the results of the repair to see if this roof is repairable. The reason I'm recording this video is to explain clear about the conditions of this roof and the previous repair that was completed. As you can see, it fell and it created more damage. But again, we've been hired to perform repairs to provide the documentation to Allstate Insurance and see if this roof can be repairable or not. I'm gonna discuss all the stuff on the back, all the damage that we have. As you can see right here, wind damage, wind damage, wind damage, and all this wind damage. We got a lot of components that have hail damage too. You can see the dents. And also, we have wind damage on the right side. We got 8 wind damage. We also have wind damage on the left side. We have 17 wind damage. Okay, and we also have a lot of wind damage on the front side. In total, we have 30 wind damage. We have around 80 plus wind damage in total of this roof, and we are here to show you guys the evidence about the damage of this property. Okay, every slope have damage, and we're gonna perform one repair. We can see a tarp over there, put it on, and we can see also the results. It just created more damage, but we're gonna perform repair in here, and we're gonna show you guys if this roof is repairable now. We're gonna repair one shingle on the back, and we also gonna record the entire process. All right, as you can see right here, this is the wind damage right here. Okay, and we're gonna record the entire process, and we're gonna show you guys if this roof is repairable now. You can see there's no damage around. Okay, that's the only one. We're gonna remove the shingle. We're gonna put a new shingle in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna record the entire process all the way from one side. And we're gonna be using the snake tool. All right, the snake tool, okay, it's a tool that has been recommended by a couple adjusters from Allstate. We're gonna be removing the nails. We're gonna remove the shingle, and then we're gonna start new nail. First of all, we're gonna remove the nail. We got the first nail out. Third nail out. You can see right there, we are really careful as possible. And we're not lifting the shingle, not even 25 degrees. All right, guys, I want to see you guys so far how many nails we remove. We remove 4 nails on the bottom, 4 nails on the top. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the new shingle. Okay, same 3-tap chingle, 20 years. We're gonna use new nails. We're gonna use the snake tool, and we're gonna install it back. So far you can see the result. We're careful as possible when we perform this repair. Why? Because we not lifting the chingle, not even 20 degrees. All right, you can see the results. We remove the nails out, and then we put the new chingle and we put the nails in. Guys, this is showing specifically that this roof doesn't qualify for repair. It needs to be full roof replacement. We actually saw the repairs that was done before, but that's why we perform a repair to show you guys. And for this reason, we're requesting a full roof replacement. We used the proper tools, we performed the repair properly, and it still failed. This is a video showing the critical storm damage and that the roof is not repairable. We request an Allstate manager or an Allstate licensed adjuster who have a common sense and understand about the repair process, and unfortunately doesn't qualify for repair. Another thing is we have few damage on the back slope. They have connected with the ridge cap, and also some wind damage in the front that is connected on the back. Guys, as you can see, before I initiate the repair, I show you how many nails I removed. I removed 4 right here and also 4 on the top. If you see right here, okay, it's actually this shingle. If it will perform any repair, we have to remove the ridge cap. Why? Because it's actually 4 inches underneath. So we have to remove the entire ridge cap in order to perform any repair. This is another reason why the roof needs to be full roof replacement. So we do the same thing here. Look at this. If we remove or repair this shingle, all the way this go underneath the ridge cap. So we have to remove the ridge cap in order to remove or perform any repair. Why? Because the nail's underneath. Okay? We go to the front side. The front side, we have 2 slopes, right and left. The front slope is actually connected, okay? And it's all the way underneath the right slope. So for that reason, we have to replace the entire right slope in order to perform any repairs on the front. Why? Because we have some wind damage like this one. And as you can see, this right here is where the nails are. And if we're trying to perform any repairs, all over this is all the way underneath the ridge, is all the way underneath the other slope. Why? Because if you count it, we got 3 tap shingle, right? 1, 2, 3, all the way underneath. So you can be available to see that we have to repair this shingle in order to be available to perform any repairs on the front. All this slope on the right has to be removed. Okay, if I go to the other slope, I have to do the same thing. Why? Not just because some of the wind dam is connected with the Rishka, but also this front slope is all the way underneath the left side. Right here, we got wind damage, and if you can see it, 1, 2, 3 is all the way underneath the left side. So this is a third reason why this roof needs to be full roof replacement. One, because I have a lot of damage in every slope. Second one, because the roof doesn't qualify for repair, it fell. Third one, because the damage, they're connected with components and connected with valleys. And the third one, because we need to bring the property to pre-loss condition. Based on the repair, we saw that the roof is not repairable. Hopefully this video helped to clarify why this roof needs to be full roof replacement, and we can be available to address it and bring this property to pre-loss condition. My name is Brian. Thank you so much.